Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Adobe Stock is a platform where photographers, graphic designers, videographers, and other content creators can upload and sell their digital media assets. Buyers can easily access and license these assets directly within Adobe's creative applications, streamlining the design workflow. Adobe Stock offers a wide variety of high-quality, professionally curated content. Here are 8 ways to earn money on Adobe Stock. 1. Integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. One unique advantage of Adobe Stock is its deep integration with Adobe's creative software. Content creators can easily submit their assets directly from Adobe applications, like Photoshop and Illustrator, making it convenient for contributors. 2. Contributor Portfolio Page. Adobe Stock provides each contributor with a personalized portfolio page to showcase their work. You can customize your portfolio to attract buyers and highlight your unique style and expertise. 3. Adobe Stock Premium Collection. Adobe Stock offers a premium collection of high-quality, exclusive content. If your work is exceptional, you may have the opportunity to contribute to this premium collection and earn higher royalties. 4. Templates and 3D assets. In addition to standard media assets, Adobe Stock allows contributors to create and sell templates for various Adobe software and 3D assets for use in Adobe Dimension. This expands your earning potential beyond traditional images and videos. 5. Subscription and on-demand purchases. Adobe Stock offers both subscription plans and on-demand credit-based purchases for buyers. Contributors earn royalties based on the type of purchase made by customers. 6. Keyword and metadata suggestions. Adobe Stock provides keyword and metadata suggestions to help contributors optimize their listings for discoverability, making it easier for buyers to find your content. 7. Licensing through Adobe applications. Adobe Creative Cloud users can easily license Adobe Stock assets directly within their creative applications, which can lead to more convenient and seamless transactions for buyers. Earning money on Adobe Stock, like Shutterstock, requires consistent effort, high-quality content, and effective marketing of your portfolio. While there are similarities between the two platforms, Adobe Stock's tight integration with Adobe Creative Cloud tools and its premium collection make it an attractive choice for contributors looking to reach a specific audience of creative professionals.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.